How to make money when you're broke. We've all been there. We need money and we need it now. And there are many websites and videos that give you some really bad advice on how to make money quickly. While small amounts can add up over time, when you're broke and you need money fast, 20 cents or less per click or view is not going to make a difference. So in this video we've put together 18 ways to make money with no money when you need it most. We'll tell you the ways to make money when you're broke in the first couple of weeks, and in some cases you can even start to make money today. We'll also tell you ways to make money once you've made a little cash. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to show you how to make money and how to have a better life. So you're broke and you need to make money fast. 1. Sell the stuff you don't need. If you need to make money really fast, start looking through your cupboards for anything you don't use anymore, but it still works. Take a picture and post it online. You can post it on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace and eBay. These are the obvious places, but there are loads more and maybe some local to you. The key is to repost the item often. This keeps the item at the top of the list and more likely to sell. The bigger items the better to make some good cash, but don't discount selling smaller items too. Pawn your stuff for quick cash. If selling your items online isn't working to make money fast, consider taking them to your local pawn shop. Pawn shops aren't going to give you the top dollar, and they are only going to take the big things. But there are now pawn shops that will take game consoles and other electronics, so if you have a drawer full of stuff, don't dismiss these items. Food delivery. If you're broke and you need money fast, consider food delivery. Food delivery has become widely popular due to COVID, and with people enjoying not going out and having it delivered, we don't see this going away anytime soon. So if you need some extra cash, get out your car or even your bike and go deliver food. Check out some local food delivery services near you as well. A driver for Uber or Lyft. Driving for Uber or Lyft can be a good gig. If you live in a pretty well crowded area, Uber claims that some of their drivers can make roughly $21 an hour, but don't always believe the stuff you hear. Still, they pay fast, so it's a good gig to make cash now. All you need to do is sign up with a 4-door car, a full license, insurance, and not have a criminal record. Use GigWalk to find small jobs. GigWalk posts small jobs that need to get done in your area. You just find something that you can do, accept the work, and then go and do it. The amount paid ranges greatly, and it is mostly for bigger cities, but you can make some good quick cash. Be a mystery shopper. The basic idea behind mystery shopping is that you are asked to go to do some sort of shopping you would already have done, but you are asked to be on the lookout for certain things to make sure that the company is treating their customer right. Sometimes you even get paid to do what you are already planning on doing, like going out to dinner. This could be fun and an easy way to make some quick cash. Airbnb a room. Airbnb is a great way to make some extra money without doing hardly anything. If you have extra space, why not rent it out? If you have a room to rent out, you can make hundreds of dollars a month, so why not? You could even rent out your car. If your car is sitting on the driveway most days, it is just making you broke faster. Instead, you could be making money on it by renting it out to people who need a ride. Turo is an Airbnb for cars. You rent out your car, they insure your vehicle so it's replaced if it gets damaged, and you end up with extra cash in your pocket. If you are close enough to work, consider riding a bike or taking the bus while you rent out your car. Then you can make money fast. Get a job house sitting. House sitting might be the perfect gig for someone who is broke and needs money fast. For house sitting, you get paid to stay at someone else's house. All you have to do is make sure the house stays protected and maybe play with the pet. It's a great gig and you can make loads of money just for sleeping somewhere else. They'll probably do a background check on you though, so no naughty stuff. Pet sitting. Pet sitting is a great way to make some extra money as long as where you live has no restrictions on you keeping a pet. There are apps like Rover, but you could do it the old-fashioned way and hand out flyers to people who you see walking their dogs. Rent out space. Think of it as Airbnb self-storage. If you have a garage, or better still a large premise that you're not using, then the storage business could be for you. It may take some time to fill your space, but any extra cash is worth it. Do a gig on Fiverr. If you have a digital or artistic skill, then consider finding a gig on Fiverr. Fiverr is a place to promote your work in a freelance environment. You have to attract the clients and pitch for work, so this could take a bit longer to make money. The upside is, though, that you can make a lot more cash doing this work. Check it out and see what other people are advertising, then build your own profile. You may be surprised at what you can do for people. Get a seasonal job. Sometimes you are broke and you need money fast, only for a little bit. So building a side hustle seems too much. Instead, consider getting a seasonal job. Seasonal jobs include delivering, package delivery during the holidays, snow removal in winter, fruit picking in the summer, and so much more. Most seasonal jobs require very little experience and can pay good money, so it's worth a look at if you need to make some extra money. Get a customer service job. This might sound like an odd suggestion, but customer service is getting outsourced more and more regularly these days. One of the main reasons being that people want to be able to get help anytime, day or night. The biggest upside for you is that the times you work can be flexible, so you can be a work-at-home customer service rep after work or late in the evening. If you think you are capable of answering the phone and answering questions you are trained to answer, then this is an easy way to make some money. Have a look at Indeed for jobs like this. Be a handyman. People need help with basic things all the time. They are either too busy to do it themselves, they don't have the time to learn how, or they just can't do it themselves anymore. So if you aren't afraid of fixing a small leak, or patching a hole, or mowing a lawn, then this could be a great way to make some extra money. What is even better is that you don't have to do it as a full-time business. Fit it in between doing other jobs, and if it takes off, great, but if not, it's just a bit of extra cash. Sign up for a temp agency. There are jobs everywhere that need to be filled when someone is out sick, on vacation, or on maternity leave. This is where a temp agency steps in. If you are broke because you're having trouble finding a job, then try signing up for a temp agency until you get back on your feet. Every area has its own temp agencies, so search for one near you. Do data entry. If you want an easy job that will pay you to work from home on your own time, then you should consider data entry. Basically, a company will give you a bunch of information and your job is to input that into correct spaces. It can be meticulous and it doesn't require a lot of brain power, but it is simple and can make a decent amount of money. This can be an especially good gig for someone that is good with numbers. This will take a little bit of research to find a job, but it is worth it. You could also add this to your Fiverr profile. Get an evening job. Sometimes you just want to do things the old-fashioned way. If you need money, then get a second job. There are lots of opportunities for work that go part-time into the evening, so you still get the sleep you need and it won't affect your day job. Examples could be working in a bar or being a waiter. If you need the extra cash, it's worth looking around for some evening jobs. Making extra cash isn't rocket science, it just takes a bit of thinking about. Look at what skills you have and your location. It's no good offering gardening if you're surrounded by apartments, but there will be loads of other ways of making money quickly. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.